In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to generate professional FAQ questions for your business. Let's get started. I begin by clicking into the search bar on the Perplexity Pro home screen to enter my initial prompt. I am asking the AI to create 5 frequently asked questions and detailed answers for a plant-based meal kit service called Greenbite. As the results appear, the AI defines Greenbite as a convenient, nutritionist-led service focused on healthy, plant-based eating. The generated answers explain that every meal is strictly vegan and outline a seamless delivery process that brings fresh kits directly to the customer's doorstep. It also highlights how users can customize their plans for specific health goals and details the brand's commitment to sourcing sustainable, local ingredients. Next, I move to the follow-up box to see how the tool handles a different industry. I type a request for a boutique hotel in Paris called Les Scales, focusing specifically on their check-in times and pet policies. Perplexity searches the web to provide realistic answers, including standard check-in windows and instructions for guests arriving after hours. The results clearly explain the hotel's pet-friendly status and any associated fees, ensuring guests have all the information they need before they arrive. It even provides a helpful note on service animals and special requests, making the content feel polished and ready for a professional website. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.